Hey guys, it's been a while, but I'm not dead. Sorry I haven't posted a video in a while. I just wanted to say Merry Christmas and, Happy New Year and all that other junk. But today, I'm deciding to show you my face. So, I have been Mr. Anonymous for my past couple of videos, but, and anyway, I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. I will try to post a video on Christmas if I can. It will be a longer video, but this is just a short video to say hey. I am going to show you my face. So, yeah. How are you? Well, I'll see you guys later. And like, comment, and subscribe. And talk to you later. Bye.